Government-issued types of money have not been exceptionally fruitful in demonstrating their strength considering the pandemic. Significant economies of the world were shaken notwithstanding having all frameworks and fortifications set up. As a surprisingly good development acted the hero the boundless force of blockchain calculations that would in general change the elements and basics of the money area. The outline of Edge cryptographic money. At the point when it came to protection, security, openness issues, the crypto and blockchain industry vowed to convey client-amicable arrangements. Verge blockchain is one such stage that guarantees security and a productive decentralized installment choice, enhancing the current unique Bitcoin blockchain. Offering the advantages of a wallet as one of the many key elements, customers' lives were made simple with Verge Pay. With no mediation from go-betweens and chipping away at Pinnacle, the stage Edge gives the choice of sending exchanges to covertness addresses, in this manner guaranteeing most extreme protection and security. Established in the year 2016, Edge Money brags of being a Dogecoin dark as a fork of Peercoin. An esteemed undertaking by Justin Valo, more famous as Justin Feud, has been in the guiding principle of the stage to be local area driven. Thus, the cynosure of the stage Edge is being open source. Rebranding of Edge XVG as the local token is called worked with mass reception with no immediate association. The tremendous experience and skill of Justin Valo for Task Edge could never have come at a superior time as his 8 years of difficult work paid off. His firm conviction was that no other altcoin could deliver as sufficient usefulness as XVG. Verge digital currency development. Ongoing organizations. To grow its market capitalization in last year September, Edge joined forces with ChangeNo, a moment crypto trade administration, to furnish its clients with simple and quick crypto installments. Afterward, the organization likewise declared its posting with Simple Hold Wallet. In October, XVG was added by Binance Pay, empowering clients to pay commercial centers. Verge conjecture, XVG nearly breaking all hindrances. As previously mentioned, the whole structure behind Edge Cash spins around making a decentralized, secure electronic installment framework, at the same time broadening more protection, and offers creative record innovation to the world. Consequently, security and decentralization end up being the specialty benefits. The Verge Pay wallet highlight is a gift for every one of those starting computerized installments as the stage fails IP addresses. It offers double key secrecy tending to, which permits clients to make one-time wallet tends to for the benefit of beneficiaries to assist with safeguarding the beneficiary's security. Additionally, nuclear trades engage trustless shared cross-blockchain exchanges. Verge Stage has additionally given equivalent significance to the importance of key coalitions as the devoted group behind the screen recognizes the key pretended by organizations for the development of the whole Edge environment. Making mass mindfulness Edge supports proficient competitors and has teamed up with stages like Installments and Prizes biological system MobiPay, Crypto Installment Stage, and ATM supplier Meccan Cash. Blockchain-based internet betting stage Crazy 8 token, to give some examples. With a solid support of crowdfunding and local area support, Edge Money has effectively scaled more prominent levels on the lookout, raising 75 million XVG in 2018. Abandoning an amazing impression. Edge Convention has motivated the existences of many through its local token XVG. And no big surprise, the Master Group stands firm in driving the enthusiasm with force and responsibility of the strong blockchain innovation. Despite the fact that underlying dormancy caused the Edge XVG token to lose the bullish appeal in the crypto costs graph. As a guileless digital money in the crypto and blockchain industry, XVG has climbed its way to magnificence gradually yet reliably, improving its fullest potential, having established a decent connection regardless of its fluctuating behavior is known. Despite the fact that considered flighty, numerous specialists are hopeful that the coin will definitely do equity to its inborn potential, building up some forward momentum from brokers and the financial backer local area the same. As per XVG cost expectation, the cost of Edge will stretch around 29 cents by 2030. Market Edge cost expectation expects the most extreme cost to ascend to 5 cents by end of 2025. In view of our Edge cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost estimate for 2027 is $0.0756 With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 700.85%. As per the previous cost history and our Edge cost forecast 2022, the coin could mirror a bullish pattern in the forthcoming weeks and cross 1 cent toward the finish of 2022. According to Come Close to Cost conjecture, the interest in Edge Cash might transform into a productive venture after this year, as Edge coin future cost might raise a ruckus around town level of 1 cent. The coin future is by all accounts showing negative patterns according to our Edge cost examination. Going by XVG cost expectation 2022, the bears will definitely run the world and question its presence in the crypto market. the XVG cost could tumble to its significant help levels around $0. Verge cost expectation 2022 may be an exceptionally negative one in making financial backers sell Edge. In light of the authentic cost information and the most recent news refreshes, we foresee the coin could be 4 cents toward the finish of 2022. In the following 3 years, the most significant level Edge cost could reach 7 cents. As per our Edge cost forecasts, toward the finish of 2025, we expect the XVG cost would be around 20 cents. Our Edge expectation gauges Edge cost might cross 1 cent on the off chance that the market sees a decent bull run in 2022. Market Edge coin cost forecasts expects XVG can arrive at a level like their past all-time high by 2024. Master Edge forecasts predicts in 2030 the most extreme cost is exchanging around 30 cents. The future cost activities uncovers the base cost will remain around 26 cents. Verge value expectation 2023. The solid fundamentals and mass reception can help the Edge, a protection coin, gain a lot greater cost. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush according to XVG cost expectation. Verge cost gauge expects in 2023, the Edge digital money cost might cross its significant opposition level around 1 cent in the event that it supports the bullish pattern. Indeed, even the XVG cost could cross the 1 cent mark according to our crypto forecasts. Verge value expectation 2024. With innovation filling quickly, it is normal for XVG cost to develop. The great corporate plans of Edge XVG might make more yearnings in the client's psyche is, making them more eager, more anxious for Edge cash. The blessing done by such a larger part would push the cost to 2 cents in light of the Edge cost forecast. Verge value forecast 2025. Dissimilar to other crypto stages, Edge trusts that serving the reason for local area and crypto market industry drives is a worldview, giving energy to worldwide discussions around the DeFi fragment. The local area is focused on synchronizing with lawmakers, controllers, and other overseeing bodies, remembering that all elements play safe and fortune of the computerized resource takes a great turn in view of past execution and future estimate. Edge makes certain to zero in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of 2 cents, making financial backers purchase Edge to exchange Edge future guessing the ascent in the procuring capability of the crypto. The site content ought to be seen only for enlightening reason and financial backers are mentioned to carry out own groundwork prior to putting into crypto industry. Verge coin value forecast 2026. A stunning chance is precluded for Edge as being a predictable entertainer and not a forceful one in the computerized money world is known. XVG as one of the numerous virtual monetary standards might ascend to a sensible cost activity in view of prescient displaying comprising outstanding moving normal, and the ongoing long-haul pattern will keep on driving the Edge value up to 4 cents. Is Edge a wise venture? Indeed, Verge is a wise venture choice, in light of key and specialized examination. This computerized resource would end up being a trailblazer, and it might acquire better future outcomes regarding costs. Financial backers are encouraged to do their own examination and read bullish XVG cost forecasts